Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the pre-market report by InTheMoneyStocks.com. My name is Nick Santiago. A couple of things to go over quickly this morning. We did just get the job number released, and you can see futures are basically flat on the day, unchanged level. We did get a little bit of a spike, and now we're seeing a little bit of a sell-off here, but nothing much. Today is a Friday. Rarely do we expect a sharp down day on a Friday. We usually expect a flat to slightly positive for most of the Fridays. But yesterday you did have a big move in the market on anticipation of a blowout job number. The job number was just released a few minutes ago at 8:30 a.m. East Coast time, and it basically came in line right around 200,000 jobs. So the ADP report and the actual government job number coming in line this month. The last two job reports were real disappointments, as the government job report failed to show any real significant increase. Today it came right in line. It wasn't a blowout number. It wasn't a horrible number. It actually just came right in line. All we care about is the market reaction, and the market reaction today is a little bit muted. As you see, futures are trading basically down or up basically a quarter to down 50 cents. So really kind of in a range. We'll see if we do fall a little bit further, because yesterday you had such a robust move in the market. A lot of times it's buy the rumor, sell the news, and I think that's what's taking place. One thing I want to point out today, last night the Asian markets were up really across the board. The Shanghai index was up about 1.35%. Therefore, the first thing you want to see this morning to see what's in play is go to Freeport-McMoRan. Go to stocks like Cleveland Cliffs. These kind of stocks could be in play today for scalp traders. You give them a slight upside bias as long as the market holds up. If the market starts to sell off, the overall market, the S&P 500, then you don't look towards these names. But if the market holds up when the opening bell begins at 9:30 a.m., you could look at Cleveland Cliffs, Freeport-McMoRan, U.S. Steel. Other names to watch would be Southern Peru Copper or Southern Copper Corp, also AK Steel. So you want to watch a lot of the commodity stocks today. They will be in play because of a strong Asian market last night. Okay, but it all depends on the market in the United States. As long as the market in the United States does not sell off, then it seems to be fine. Right now, futures are just down about 2 points, slipping a little bit more. But again, this is not a big decline, and I rarely expect big falls on Friday. So Friday is usually a flat to positive day, and that's usually what we get. Another point I want to make is that oil is trading around $103 a barrel. So if we go to the USO chart here, this is a very popular way of playing oil. The USO right now making a new high on the year. Okay, so USO very strong. This is the wild card factor. If oil starts to surge, and I think it has a good chance of doing that, just realize that the market will have no other choice but to go down. Now, it's a Friday. Again, we rarely see big down days on Fridays, but we could see a mild down day if oil starts to spike. Now, next week's a whole new can of wax. You'd have to really see how the market plays out. But in any case, oil is holding up very well today. I don't think the tensions in the Middle East are going to let up anytime soon, so you want to be careful. Another stock in play this morning is going to be Walmart. Walmart gave out a big increase in their dividend, and just realized that the stock right now is trading about $52.42. If you look at the daily chart of this, Walmart really was an ugly stock, trading below all the moving averages and almost in a pretty good downtrend here. So it looks like a last-ditch effort by the management to get that stock price up with the big dividend increase. But we'll see if it works. We'll see how it plays out. I do think Walmart is a little bit oversold, at the time, and could be due for a little bit of an uptick. But it just may be a good day trading stock today. I'm not sure that dividend news is really going to boost the stock higher. Okay, so that's what we're looking at today. Really keep oil chart up constantly. That's really what you need to know, and then we'll take it from there. As far as gold and silver are concerned, if we take a look this morning, you'll see that both are holding up fairly well. So gold, GLD, we'll use that as a barometer. Silver is actually upticking. They're holding up very well. You have the US dollar index, which has just gone positive, making a small little jump here. But believe it or not, this US dollar has lost about 14% And if I just rewind the clock here and go back in time, you'll see from June 7th, 2010 till now, we're down about 14%. So all the retirees in the world, all the people out there that hold U.S. dollars or on fixed incomes or have a savings account, really getting nothing for their money, as their money simply just seems to be declining day after day. So we'll thank Chairman Bernanke for that one. But in any case, you are getting a little bit of an uptick here intraday, and that's we'll have to watch for that today and see if the dollar starts to surge a little bit. Remember, a stronger economy or better job market would help increase the dollar. So we'll see if that is the case. Before we run, let's just take a look at the bond yields, and you're going to see that yields on the 10-year have come down a little bit after a nice little move early, and settling in around 3.55%. So not a whole lot there, but yesterday the yields made a very, very nice move higher. And today, really right in that same spot. So we'll see where it goes. That's really everything that we need to cover this morning. Again, keep commodity stocks front and center, and watch oil, gold, and silver. And Freeport-McMoRan could be a mover today if the market holds up. Okay, everyone, enjoy the trading session, and we will talk to you on Monday. Have a great weekend.